Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and you are watching Planning and Project Control Hub. In today's video, I will show you how to make a simple dynamic Excel dashboard which will help you to visualize your data very smartly and efficiently. As a planning engineer, we often work with a lot of data like progress reports, the cost reports, and the schedules. But just having data is not enough. We need to show in a way that is easy to understand. We have to visualize the data to show it to the top management. A dynamic Excel dashboard helps us to do that. In this video, I will guide you step by step procedure to make a dynamic Excel dashboard which will run your data dynamically just by a single click. Here one thing I just want to say that this video is especially for the junior planning engineers as I'm going to show you how to make a simple dynamic Excel dashboard not by using the complex formulas like the macros, the pivot table, the coding, etc. So stay with me as we will follow the step-by-step procedure. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start our today's session. Now I have opened the data sheet here where I have taken the data from my report. This is very simple the data I have taken in order to show you how to make the dynamic dashboard in a very simple way. This data is very simple so that you can understand the whole procedure in a very simple way. So let me explain the data first. Here is the date, here is the day, here is dump truck details, here is the planned trips, here is the actual trips, the planned volume, actual volume, planned DR, actual DR. And we will also use one reference table where we will import the data from this sheet, and then we will use this table as a reference table, and we will make a dynamic dashboard using this reference table. Now we will start importing the data, and first of all we need here landfill, and then actual fill, cumulative, landfill, cumulative, actual fill, and the same we need for the DR, planned DR, actual DR, cumulative, planned DR, actual DR, and then need the number of trips, contractor 1 trucks, because we have two subcontractors we have used here, the subcon 1 and the subcon 2. So we will also visualize the data for the subcontractor 1 and for the subcontractor 2. Okay, and also I need the person complete. And now we will start to import the data from the detailed data sheet here. And first of all, we must know the dates. What is the link between the dates? So this will be the data date, and this date is linked to this date, and also all these dates are linked together so that in future we just need to change the data date. So all the data will be dynamically changed. I'm using the index formula which will help us to move the data dynamically. So keep watching and note down the formula. We will use the index formula. Index. The index formula has some requirements. You have to fulfill the requirement, and first need at the array what data I am looking for. I am looking for the landfill. You have to lock the formula by pressing the F4, and then we will use the match formula. The match formula we will use for the date, so that in future if we can change the data date, so the data will move dynamically with reference to the dates. So I will use here the match formula, match, and then the reference date, lock it again, and then use the array. This is the date array, lock the array, and then close parenthesis, enter. So it will give you the data. Well, just move forward the formula. And now the data is ready for the dashboard, and we will start making the dashboard. I have already added a tab sheet here named the dashboard, so we will make our dashboard here. So let me start taking the data from here. The first we will take for the fill, go to the insert from here, all charts, you can use this one. Now modify it, change the chart type, combo, come here and make it fill trusted column and make this the secondary one, and also the cumulative actual fill, make it secondary. Now okay, cut from here, move here and paste it here. Let me make it chart area here for dashboard. Let's assume that area I'm usually using this type of formatting. Okay, it should be this fill like this. Okay, so put the chart here and now change color as you want. Usually I want this type of color. Okay, make it black. Oh, sorry. Here, make it black. I usually use the up toes, and also same up toes. Should be black like this. Black. This one up toes. Also same this up toes, which should be black and bold. Same this black, bold, up toes, and now make it rounded. This one rounded corner. Come to format here, shape outline. It should be this one. I'm using this one usually. Okay, and the color should be this one. Okay, and now make the shadow. For the shadow I'm usually using this one. Okay, for the bars, the line, use this line, so it's looking good. Use this line, also looking good. Decrease the thickness, it should be 1. Also decrease the thickness, should be 1. Now it's looking good. Also change here the title. For the title it should be the plan versus actual fill. Okay, now the same we will use for the dynamic replacement. So just copy it and paste it here like this. Now it's looking good. So now again we will change this data because this is for the dynamic replacement. So plan versus actual dr, we will make here dr, and also we will change the data here. So select the data from here, select the data, and first of all edit the data. It should be the planned dr. Okay, series, it should be this one. Okay, for the actual one it should be actual dr. For this one it should be actual dr here. Okay, cumulative, it should be the cumulative dr, this one, and for this one it should be this data. Okay, for this one edit cumulative dr. For this one it should be this range of data. Okay, and then okay. So now this for the dynamic replacement. Now I want to show the actual filling here, the actual fill of the data date. So just go to insert shape, this shape, I want this shape, paste it here, change the shape from here, the outer border should be this one and the color should be this one, and change the angle. You can change the angle from the yellow dot, so adjust the angle so that it can match the above chart. Should be like this. Now insert the text box from here again, insert again. So right here actual filling, it should be in cubic meter, and make formula for the actual fill here. Click here, go here, and equal to this actual fill. Okay, now make the necessary formatting so that it should be in center. Remove outer border, no outline from here, no outline. Okay, just change the formatting. It should be this one, should be bold, should be uptoes because I like uptoes. This one. Okay, now looking good. It should be this one, should be bold, uptoes. Make it little so that it should be looking good. Now this is the actual fill, and one thing is remaining. We can also make the shadow so that it will be more appealing. From the shadow, usually I'm using the inside. Now it's looking good. Okay, and the same I want to make for the number of trips, so I will just copy all these, copy and paste it here. Okay, now right here to their trips, it should be numbers now, and change the formula from here. You can change the formula from here, and the number of the trips. Where are the number of trips? Here are the number of trips. Enter. Just match the formatting. Okay, now it's good. And now I want to add the do not chart here. So let me come here. For the do not chart, I have to add a small table. So just copy this, paste it here, and write here total percent complete. Write here actual percent complete, and write here remaining percent complete. Total percent complete should be 100. The actual should be this, and the remaining should be 100 minus this one. Select it, go to insert, go to chart. Okay, cut from here and paste it here. Now make the necessary formatting. The outline should be this one, the color should be this one, and make the shadow. Okay, and now make round corner, and now make color changes, expand it like this. Okay, decrease the whole size. From here, decrease the whole size. Now looking good. Change the color. For the actual, I like this one. Oh, sorry. For the actual, I like this one. For the remaining, it should be this one. Okay. Now insert a text box from here. Insert a text box. Okay. Go to format, shape fill, no shape fill, and no outline. And it should be equal to actual percent complete. Okay, It should be up close because I like up close. Should be in center. Okay. Now it's looking good. Should be bold. And this should be bold, up close. And right here, actual percent complete. It should be bold, it should be this color, it should be up close. Now it's looking good. Now I want to add the one and the last visual for the number of the active trucks, and it should be the stake column because we have two subcontractor, one for the subcontractor 1 and one for the subcontractor 2. So we will use data and the visual will be the stake column. So just come here, select the subcontractor 1 and 2, insert, come here to the charts, and it should be the stake column. Yeah, this one. Okay, select it, cut from here and paste it here. Bring it here. Make the necessary formatting for the border, and the width should be this one, and the color should be this one, and make the shadow like this. Okay, and make the round corner from here. Okay, and now just change color formatting. For the color, make one this and another one this one. Okay, and right here, number of active trucks. It should be up close. And also make this one up close. Make this one up close also. Same this one. And one thing, if you notice here has written 1 2 3, but we need the date here. Okay, select the data and come to date, edit it, go to the data from here. It should be date like this. Okay, now the date is shown here. And now I think no need to add the more visual because we are out of time, and we are here just to learn the concept how to make the dynamic dashboard, and this tutorial cover all the necessary thing. And now I will add here a list which will contain the data date, and whenever we change the data date, the whole data will be changed here. So just come to the data and come to the data validation. It should be list. Select the range of the data. It should be the date. Okay, so just write here the date. We have here a date, and now format of the date. Okay, make it up close, make it bold, and now link this date with the data date. Now all is done. If you change the data date here, see here, all the data will be dynamically changed. So just by one click, all the data will be dynamically changed. See here, all the data is dynamically linked to the data date. That's it for today. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more helpful videos and insight. And if you have any question or want to see more videos like this, just write down your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be happy and see you in the next video.